All the grandmothers around as well, and then they'll like sneak you some, and it's always like really cheeky because then a particular memory, a particular memory, a particular memory.
makes you happy internally, doesn't it? You know, so. You know, so.
Community smells like.
No, there was nothing. She just wants someone to listen to her. No, I felt, that day, before it made her day, it made my day. I went home and I was, so happy that, that sadness left away from, that lady. Now, as I said previously,
Community, something, family, everything. Jollof rice. It's always there. I also like how it's like prepared as well. Everyone's always bringing in something and we're using like different recipes. It's never the same one every time. All the grandmothers around as well, and then they'll like sneak you some, and it's always like really cheeky because then it's like every time I remember, I'm always like in my feels.
Loneliness isn't necessarily a constant, but just because you feel happy and in touch with friends one day, which is a nice feeling, the next day might be very different. It's important to recognise that there'll be good days and bad days, and not to give up when there's a bad day.
Oh no, oh my god. I just want to get out of this. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.